So the prompt is, you are 180 IQ, top 0.1% marketing strategist focused exclusively on micro-SaaS and apps. Identify 10 theoretical painkiller SaaS or app products with high market impact in underserved, highly specific, and easily reachable niches. This is a prompt on ChatGPT, especially 4.1 mini. You want to define what the SaaS is, the objective, and then the rules. So we're ignoring vitamins, nice to haves, just painkillers. And then for each product, output the pain, the product, ICP, distribution strategy. Let's see what they came out with. An auto resume optimizer for niche freelance platforms. That one, not so sure about it myself. You can grab that if you want. Daily medication reminder. Now, this is a good one. So it also talks about the distribution strategy, partner with patient advocacy groups, Facebook ads targeting. Yeah, a medication reminder app is really good. So I would pick number 2. Micro-influencer campaign tracker. Let's see the distribution. Product hunt, Instagram influencer marketing communities, targeted Facebook ads. Not too sure about this one. I think something can be done in the micro-influencer space, but this is still a good idea just to think about. Lease agreement, no, wouldn't pick that one. Gig worker, tax expense tracker, no. This is a good one. Automated social proof widget for Shopify stores. Clearly, this distribution is Shopify App Store. So you want to see the App Store. Is there something that's so easy for a social proof widget? Do it there. Make sure you become a Shopify partner. And then this is a good one. I would probably pick this one as well. And then here it is, weekly meal prep planner for busy parents. If your distribution is really good, if you understand the customer and the tone of voice, it's something that's relatively easy to build. But if your distribution is really good, you do have something here. It's here for warranty tracker for electronics. Not too sure about this one. You don't want to go against customer behavior. So if people in the electronic space don't buy things and initially log the warranty or want to log the warranty for it, then your app is dead on arrival. I might not use this one, but what do you think? Is it a good idea? Pet medication reminder and health tracker. Anything in the pet space can be good. Pet care is really big now and it's growing. So let's see the distribution. Partner with vet clinics, pet influencers, and app stores. No idea what a pet influencer is. Not too sure about the vet clinics. I think there's a little bit of hallucination going on with the distribution strategy for this one. But I just want to summarize. So here is the prompt. It's going to give you some strange ideas, but it's going to give you ideas that solve real problems. I would always use this prompt. I can change some things around this prompt, but I think it's a good place. If you don't know what to build at all, it's a good place to get started for it.